Home renovation will allow you to take a closer look at your home. Cluttering up your home is not the best thing you can do. If the items in your home serve no purpose and your home looks like you didn't even bother to clear it up, it's time that you focus on home renovation and get your home cleared from unnecessary things. When you look at your home, you will have the chance to find out what can be thrown out of your sweet home and which new things you should bring to change the way your home looks to you. Among the things you can consider to bring in are wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces. These items will serve you some purpose and also make your house look cool. There are several of them for you to choose from, and in this video, we will show you some of our picks. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another collection of wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces for your home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational daily decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. A well-furnished and properly cared for home will make you stay in the right mood, as the way you feel depends on your home. If your home is filled with so many useless items, looking at them all day long keeps you demotivated and distracted. It is therefore important that you set up your home in such a way that it has a positive effect on your mood. For starters, focus on how you can change the look of your home so it keeps your spirits high and you stay in the right mood all the time. Making these changes will help you achieve more in your life. For this, you can use different types of wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces. As your home decor venture, remove the unwanted and keep the purposeful items. By doing so, you will get additional benefit from the available space. Most homes are filled with old furniture and other items that don't increase the value of the home. Cluttered up space doesn't serve any purpose. Therefore, you have to ensure that you get the most out of the space in your home. Home renovation allows you to rethink the use of free space in your home. You will get the chance to utilize the space, so it becomes possible for you to enjoy the available space. When doing a home decor, personalize it the right way. It's your home, and it's your right to personalize it the way you want. Gone are the days when all the homes looked the same, and only the royals had access to decorative and lush homes. In this day and age, you can find ways of decorating your home and making it look the way you want. Starting on a home renovation project allows you to understand how you can decorate your home the way you want. Forget about living in a home that doesn't reflect your personality. Think about the items you can put in your home to increase its beauty and make it closer to you. Although wood is ideal for furniture making due to its several benefits, there are some disadvantages to its use. While certain varieties of wood in association with different types of wood treatments have enhanced the general durability of wood greatly, there still are many applications for which wood is unsuitable due to durability issues. Synthetic materials and metals are often used in place of wood in cases where material needs to withstand high weight loads, extremely low or high temperatures, and high impact. Durability issues have increased the use of alternatives such as plastics in the case of traditionally all wood applications like fences. The materials in this case can last longer with lesser maintenance and can be formed to give the appearance of wood. In addition, because wood is flammable, it is not the most ideal material to use in applications where fire safety may be a concern. Well viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces for your home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.